Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a tutorial for you guys. We're going to be playing with the new Scrap Diva Designs Victorian frame die. This is going to be all these dies. If you haven't seen the new release for October, I'm going to have it linked down below. Check my channel. She has a new release that is like fall themed. Oh my god, so many beautiful dies, you guys. Look at the color of these dies. They're gorgeous. It's like a dark teal, giving me fall vibes. And she has such a great release that's coming. It's going to be available October the 5th. You guys can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase, guys. I have a playlist that's going to be listed down below as well with so many projects if you are looking for dies for scrapdivadesigns.com. Okay, guys? So this is the Victorian frame. I am obsessed. This is one of my favorite dies from this new release. I love frames. You guys know that I've been obsessed with frames for a while now, and so look at how gorgeous this frame is. So beautiful. I'm playing with the Marigold collection from Maggie Holmes. It is making me so happy. I had to put a little bow on this one. So this is going to create a really cute little frame for whatever kind of project, just for an embellishment on its own. I think this will be a really cute like little ornament. If you put a string on here, this would be a cute tag. But I wanted to create a little box, of course. Look at how pretty, you guys. It's so cute. And it opens on the side. And when you open it, there are some of her new flowers. I believe this is called the Fantasy Flower. And so I just stuffed it with all these pretty flowers that are new to her shop, okay? So this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to create this simple box with the frame, and you can put whatever you want in here. I think it'll be cute to put a little dangle, some like little what else could you do? Some beaded some wire wrap beads would be cute to gift in here. So this box measures, I think 3 by 3 if I'm not mistaken, something like that. Okay, so let's get started, you guys. Now what you're gonna need is 2 of these. So I'm gonna have one that is embellished and one that is not for my bottom. You're gonna need a piece of paper. Let's go ahead and cut our paper. We're gonna cut it to 3 by 3.5 inches. Guys, I finally busted out my little Temu cutting board. It cuts so well, you guys, so well. Highly suggest this. Let me know if anyone is interested in the link. And it's pink. It's beautiful. I love it. I am so obsessed with this cutting board. All right, so we're going to cut a piece of paper. I'm using 110-pound cardstock. We're going to cut this 3 by 3.5. Okay. 3 by 3.5. Okay. And then we're going to cut another paper that is going to be, sorry, I got my measurements, 4.5 by 2 inches. So 4.5. I should have had this ready for you guys. I really was going to do a live, but I said, no, let me pre-record. All right, and then 2.5. 2.5. Okay, let's put this away. So we have our 2 pieces, which are 3.5 by 3.5 and 4.5 by 2.5, okay? So for this one, this is going to be the outside of our, it's going to create our book. And we're going to go ahead and score this. Where's my little score tool? Guys, I thought I had everything ready to go. And I have no idea where I put it. Jeez. Okay. We're gonna score this at, and excuse my scoreboard, this is the one that my daughter, it's my daughter's I brought this one as an extra one in my kitchen. She's got nail polish and that kind of stuff on it. Okay, here we go. Here goes my score tool. All right, so we're gonna put it on the long side and we are gonna score this at 2 inches on both sides, okay? Flip it, 2 inches. All right, so this is gonna be the outside of our cover. Just go ahead and fold this. On both sides. And then we're gonna create our box. So you're gonna take your piece of paper that measures 3 by 3.5, and we are going to score it at 1/2 inch on every side, okay? So just turn it. Long side. Super simple box to make. I'm obsessed with this frame, guys. You gotta let me know what you think. This is a must-have, must-have, must-have. October 5th is the day that her release will be available. Guys, set your alarm because things are gonna go really quick, really, really quick. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and score. Let's fold these. Get these all creased. This is gonna create the box on the inside of our little frame book. Okay. So you guys let me know down below, what would you put in here other than flowers? Okay. Now we're gonna go on the shorter side, and we're just gonna put a little snip here and then miter it a little bit like so. And then miter it. I feel like I cut this one right. Hold on. These scissors are so big, guys. All right, and then turn it and do the same thing on the opposite end. Super simple little box. Guys, let me know, what dies do you have to have from this new release? I'm having so much fun playing with this already. I'm gonna have another video soon showing you guys the other projects that I made. I have been playing with a lot of them so far. Okay, and then we're just gonna create our box. So we're gonna glue these little tabs. Just like so. Get it nice and straight. I'm excited for the fall, guys. It's already fall season. And I love it. I love, you know, a cute little sweater, a jacket, some boots. That's my kind of weather. Probably because my birthday's in November. I'm a fall baby. Okay. So there goes our little box. Okay. And we're just gonna go ahead and glue that into here to create our little book. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Glue that right there. Just like so, okay? So let me go ahead and make sure that that's adhered really nicely. And then we're just gonna simply take some string and we are going to make a closure. I don't know, it's just something about some satin ribbon that I love. So I'm just gonna take 2 pieces. Better for it to be longer than shorter. You can always cut it down. And we're just gonna glue this to our cover. So do a little strip there. Be careful, don't put too much glue. Just like that. Turn it over. Do the same thing. Make sure it's nice and lined up. Like so. And then we're just gonna go ahead and glue our frames, okay? So I have one for the bottom. I'm gonna use wet glue so I have a little bit of wiggle room. Okay. And I'm just gonna line this up. I'm gonna eyeball it. You're gonna see a little bit of the corners, which I actually like. Okay. Make sure it's nice and adhered. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put our top. So before I put my top, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this because I want it to be nice and tight. I probably could have made this cover a little, like maybe a couple of notches bigger, but the frame is gonna cover it nicely. So I don't know, it's not needed. So totally up to you if you guys don't like this look. All right, so I'm gonna tie that. And then let's go ahead and glue the top. So we'll glue this one. And then the same thing, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put glue here, actually. Put your glue on here. Okay. And then line it up same way. Okay, try to line it up the same as the back side. Definitely use the wet glue so you have that wiggle room. And then open it up and make sure that it's nice and adhered. Okay. And there goes your cute little box, you guys. Super simple. This right here measures 2 by 2.5. So let's go ahead and line it. Let's put a piece of paper. Let me see. Let me grab one of my scraps. Let me grab a scrap. Here, we use this one. Let me get my big old chomper. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Super simple. What did I say that it was? 2.5 by what? 2 by 2.5. So let's cut this at 2. Get it nice and straight. Guys, I'm so terrible at cutting stuff. My God. And then 2.5. I really want this pink. You guys know I want this pink bow right here. Let me cut this edge off. And then let's measure this at 2.5. Okay. Actually, let's go a little bit lower. Shorter. Wait, I cut that wrong, guys. I did 3.5. Why didn't you guys tell me? There we go. Okay. And then you can line the inside. Let me cut it down just a little tad bit more on this end. To this side. Just a little sliver. And then we can line this. Okay. And then you could do another piece to do this side as well, which I should. Yeah, let's do that. Get that in there. And let's do right here too. I think that's gonna be pretty, yeah. Okay, so let's cut this at here, let's just hand cut it. Let's just hand cut it. No, let me cut it by let me cut it with my thing. I'm just so terrible at cutting, it's crazy. All right, so 2 inches. No, this needs to be 2.5, right? I think it's 2.5. No, guys, it's supposed to be 3. Let me see. 2.5. Oh, 2.5 by 2. I'm gonna try again, guys. How did I mess that up? That is 2. So let's do this one at 2.5. This one's pretty. This little scrap right here. I'm not sure why I'm not measuring right this morning, but whatever. All right. 2 by 2.5, you guys. Still short, guys. What did I do wrong? How am I not measuring this right? 2 by... I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm measuring it wrong. But anyways, you guys get the idea, right? I'm just going to do that. It's fine. And there goes our cute little box. Isn't it adorable? You can go ahead and embellish it more like I did on this one. Make sure you tie your string nice and pretty. And that is your little box. I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think down below. Again, you can put anything in here. We're gonna go ahead and put some more of these flowers. This is her new fantasy flower. And you can fit a nice amount, you guys. As you can see, you can fit a really nice amount. And of course, I got glue strings. And then tie it on the side. And you have your 2 little book boxes. I love this frame, guys. And like I said, it's just going to make a beautiful embellishment alone by itself. This is a must-have, 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 must-have. Do not skip out on this die set, okay? October the 1st. Look at how pretty. They're so cute. I love them. All right. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too short or too long. And let me know down below what you guys think of this project, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.